Hello everyone, I am Mehak and today we will see how to manage bulk order fulfillment by using batch shipping. ERP in Cloud brings all of your e-commerce carts and shopping places together at one place. If you need multiple orders to be shipped at once, ERP in Cloud allows you to batch ship them all at once. Let us see how we carry out the process of batch shipping in ERP in Cloud. Suppose our system has some delivery orders which needs to be batch shipped on a particular date. So now we move to warehouse, navigate to shipping process and then hit on batch shipping. It takes us to a new wizard. We now have to ship certain orders based on some conditions. We can generate a new picking from here and the conditions could be any one of them or a combination of one or more criterion like shipping time, carrier, shop or dates. Suppose I want to ship all the orders for the date 19th March. So I put a start and end date and all the orders fulfilling this condition appear under the available orders field. The limit orders field shows the maximum number of orders that can be processed at one go. Proceeding, if we hit the button Generate Picking List, it prints the report which shows the number of quantity of all products along with the delivery order numbers in which they exist. Along with this, a batch number is assigned to it. If we go to Warehouse and then Batch Numbers, we can see the batch numbers which are generated by the system. The Packing List button brings out all the delivery orders related to the selected batch number. The Print Label button prints the labels for various shipping services such as FedEx, UPS, etc. if they exist for the orders in that batch number. Things can be made much easier by using the Generate All button. It enables the automated batch shipping which helps us to generate the picking list, the packing list and the labels all together. After all these processes, we can select the batch number and hit the checkbox Mark Delivery as Done. All the related delivery orders reach the done state. To know more, you can also visit our blog. For any inquiries, email us on sales@vistasolutions.com. Thank you for watching our video.